Welcome to our journey into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. In this video, we'll explore what AI really means, how it's changing our lives, and why it's such a hot topic today. From the smartphones in our pockets to the recommendations we see online, AI is everywhere. But what exactly is it? Let's start by breaking down the basics and setting the stage for a deeper dive into machine learning, one of AI's most exciting branches. Get ready to discover how machines are learning to think, adapt, and even surprise us. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and even playing games. AI systems are designed to mimic human thinking, but they don't actually think like us. Instead, they use algorithms and data to process information and solve problems. As we move forward, you'll see how AI is not just about robots or science fiction, but about real-world applications that impact our daily routines. AI comes in different forms, from simple rule-based systems to advanced learning machines. The most basic type is narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task like voice assistants or spam filters. Then there's general AI, a more advanced concept where machines could potentially perform any intellectual task that a human can. While general AI remains a goal for the future, narrow AI is already making a big impact in our world today. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on teaching computers to learn from data. Instead of following explicit instructions, these systems identify patterns and make predictions based on the information they receive. Think of it as training a dog with treats. Over time, the dog learns what behaviors are rewarded. Similarly, machine learning algorithms improve as they process more data, becoming smarter and more accurate. So how do machines actually learn? It all starts with data. Machine learning models are fed large amounts of information which they analyze to find patterns or relationships. For example, a model might look at thousands of photos of cats and dogs to learn how to tell them apart. Over time, the model adjusts its internal rules to improve its accuracy, much like how we learn from experience. One of the main types of machine learning is supervised learning. In this approach, the model is trained on labeled data, meaning each example in the dataset comes with the correct answer. For instance, if we want a model to recognize handwritten numbers, we provide it with images of numbers along with their actual values. The model learns to associate the images with the correct labels, gradually improving its predictions. Unsupervised learning is another key approach. Here, the model is given data without any labels or correct answers. Its job is to find patterns or groupings within the data on its own. For example, an unsupervised learning model might analyze customer data to identify different segments or clusters of similar buyers. This method is powerful for discovering hidden structures in large datasets. Reinforcement learning is inspired by how we learn from rewards and punishments. In this method, an AI agent interacts with its environment and receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Over time, the agent learns which actions lead to the best outcomes. This approach is used in areas like robotics, game playing, and even self-driving cars, where the system must make a series of decisions to achieve a goal. Deep learning is a special kind of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, inspired by the human brain. These networks can have many layers, allowing them to learn complex patterns in data. Deep learning has powered breakthroughs in image recognition, speech processing, and natural language understanding. It's the technology behind many of today's most impressive AI applications. Neural networks are made up of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons. Each neuron processes information and passes it to the next layer. By adjusting the connections between neurons, the network learns to recognize patterns and make predictions. This structure allows neural networks to handle complex tasks like translating languages or identifying objects in photos. Data is at the heart of all AI and machine learning systems. The more high-quality data a model has, the better it can learn and perform. This is why companies collect vast amounts of information from user behavior to images and text. However, managing and protecting this data is a major challenge, raising important questions about privacy and security. In building a machine learning model, data is typically split into two sets: training and testing. The training set is used to teach the model, while the testing set checks how well the model performs on new, unseen data. This process helps ensure that the model can generalize its learning and isn't just memorizing the training examples. Common challenge in machine learning is finding the right balance between overfitting and underfitting. Overfitting happens when a model learns the training data too well, including its noise and errors, making it perform poorly on new data. Underfitting occurs when the model is too simple and can't capture the underlying patterns. The goal is to create a model that generalizes well to new situations. AI is already transforming many industries. In healthcare, it helps doctors diagnose diseases and personalize treatments. In finance, AI detects fraud and manages investments. Retailers use AI to recommend products, while transportation companies optimize routes and schedules. The possibilities are endless and new applications are emerging every day. In the medical field, AI is making a real difference. Algorithms can analyze medical images to spot signs of disease earlier than ever before. AI-powered systems help doctors make better decisions and even predict patient outcomes. From drug discovery to robotic surgery, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach health and wellness. Financial institutions rely on AI to detect fraudulent transactions, assess credit risk, and automate trading. Machine learning models can analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time, spotting trends and making predictions that would be impossible for humans alone. This leads to faster, more accurate decisions and improved security for customers. Retailers use AI to personalize shopping experiences, manage inventory, and optimize pricing. Recommendation systems suggest products based on your browsing history, while chatbots answer customer questions around the clock. AI also helps retailers predict demand and prevent stockouts, making shopping smoother for everyone. The transportation industry is being transformed by AI. Self-driving cars use machine learning to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. Logistics companies rely on AI to plan efficient delivery routes and predict delays. Even public transit systems use AI to optimize schedules and improve service for passengers. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of AI focused on understanding and generating human language. It powers voice assistants, translation apps, and chatbots. NLP allows machines to read, interpret, and even respond to text or speech, making communication with technology more natural and intuitive. Computer vision is another exciting area of AI. It enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as photos or videos. Applications include facial recognition, object detection, and even medical image analysis. Computer vision is helping machines see and understand the world around us. Speech recognition technology allows computers to convert spoken language into text. This is what powers voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, as well as automated transcription services. By understanding speech, AI systems can help us interact with devices hands-free and make technology more accessible. Ever wonder how Netflix knows what you want to watch next? That's thanks to recommendation systems powered by AI. These systems analyze your preferences and behavior to suggest movies, music, or products you might like. By learning from your choices, they make your experience more personalized and enjoyable. Robotics combines AI with physical machines, allowing robots to perform tasks in the real world. From manufacturing to healthcare, robots are becoming smarter and more capable thanks to machine learning. They can assemble products, assist in surgeries, and even deliver packages, all while adapting to new situations. AI is part of our daily routines, often without us even noticing. It powers the spam filters in our email, the navigation apps on our phones, and the smart assistants in our homes. AI helps us shop, communicate, and stay informed, making life more convenient and efficient. The process of building AI systems is cyclical. It starts with collecting data, then training models, testing their performance, and refining them based on feedback. This cycle repeats as new data becomes available, allowing AI systems to continuously improve and adapt to changing conditions. Despite its promise, AI faces significant challenges. These include the need for massive amounts of data, the risk of bias in algorithms, and concerns about transparency and accountability. Researchers are working hard to address these issues and ensure that AI systems are fair, reliable, and trustworthy. Bias can creep into AI systems when the data used to train them reflects existing prejudices or inequalities. This can lead to unfair outcomes such as discrimination in hearing or lending. Addressing bias is a top priority for AI developers who are working to create more inclusive and equitable technologies. With AI systems collecting and analyzing so much personal data, privacy is a major concern. Protecting user information and ensuring data security are essential for building trust in AI technologies. Regulations and best practices are evolving to keep pace with these new challenges. AI systems can be complex and difficult to understand, even for experts. This lack of transparency makes it hard to explain how decisions are made. Researchers are developing tools and techniques to make AI more interpretable so users can understand and trust the outcomes. Ethical considerations are central to the development of AI. Questions about responsibility, accountability, and the impact of AI on society are more important than ever. Developers and policymakers are working together to create guidelines that ensure AI is used for good and respects human values. AI is changing the nature of work, automating repetitive tasks and creating new opportunities. While some jobs may disappear, others will emerge, requiring new skills and adaptability. Lifelong learning and reskilling will be key to thriving in an AI-powered world. AI isn't just about numbers and logic, it's also fueling creativity. Artists, musicians, and writers are using AI tools to generate new ideas, compose music, and even write stories. By collaborating with machines, humans can push the boundaries of what's possible in art and design. Education is being transformed by AI with personalized learning platforms, intelligent tutoring systems, and automated grading. These tools help teachers understand student needs and tailor instruction, making learning more effective and engaging for everyone. The entertainment industry is embracing AI to create more immersive experiences. From video game characters that adapt to your play style to movie recommendations and even scriptwriting, AI is making entertainment smarter and more interactive. Smart home devices use AI to learn your preferences and automate everyday tasks. From adjusting the thermostat to controlling lights and security systems, AI makes homes more comfortable, energy efficient, and secure. Farmers are using AI to monitor crops, predict yields, and optimize irrigation. Drones and sensors collect data from the fields, while machine learning models analyze this information to help farmers make better decisions. AI is helping to feed the world more efficiently and sustainably. Security systems powered by AI can detect threats, monitor activity, and respond to incidents faster than ever before. From facial recognition at airports to cybersecurity tools that block attacks, AI is making our world safer and more secure. AI is playing a role in protecting the environment. It helps scientists track wildlife, monitor deforestation, and predict natural disasters. By analyzing massive amounts of environmental data, AI supports conservation efforts and helps us respond to climate change. Customer service is being transformed by AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These tools can answer questions, resolve issues, and even handle transactions, providing fast and efficient support around the clock. Marketers use AI to analyze consumer behavior, target ads, and measure campaign effectiveness. Machine learning models can predict which messages will resonate with different audiences, helping businesses reach the right people at the right time. Logistics companies rely on AI to optimize supply chains, predict demand, and manage inventory. By analyzing data from across the network, AI helps ensure that products get where they're needed when they're needed more efficiently than ever before. Manufacturers use AI to monitor equipment, predict maintenance needs, and improve quality control. Smart factories use sensors and machine learning to detect problems early and keep production running smoothly, reducing downtime and costs. Scientists use AI to analyze research data, simulate experiments, and make new discoveries. From drug development to space exploration, AI accelerates the pace of scientific progress and helps us solve complex problems. Despite its many achievements, AI has limitations. It struggles with tasks that require common sense, creativity, or emotional understanding. AI systems can make mistakes, especially when faced with unfamiliar situations. Recognizing these limits helps us use AI wisely and responsibly. Looking ahead, the future of AI is full of promise and potential. As technology advances, AI will become even more integrated into our lives, helping us solve big challenges and unlock new opportunities. By understanding how AI and machine learning work, we can shape a future where humans and machines collaborate for the greater good.